Hi friends, in this question we are given that there is a rectangular path to adjacent sides of a rectangular field. A boy took a shortcut along the diagonal and saved the distance which is equal to half the longer side. So there is a rectangular path like this and we say that he took the diagonal path. This is half lesser than the longer side. This is the longer side, let's say, and this is the shorter side. So just by looking at this, we should get the idea with a we should get the idea that this is something like 4, 3, and 5. Right? We know the Pythagorean triples 4 by 2, half of it. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, which is half of 2. Right? Which is half of 4. We should just by reading at the problem, we should get the idea that this is kind of 3, 4, 5 kind of triangle. Right. Now, what is it saying? The ratio shorter side to the longer side. That is 3 by 4. The answer is 3 by 4. This is such a simple problem. Let's look at another question. In this question, AD equal to CD equal to BC. Right. AD equal to CD. That means this angle and this angle are same. Right. Similarly, CD equal to BC. CD equal to BC. That means this angle and this angle are same because angles opposite to equal sides are equal in a triangle, right? And we are given BCE is equal to 96 degrees. What is DBC? What is this angle? Right. We are given this angle and this angle are same. So this plus this angle is 180 degrees. Similarly, this is 180 degrees. Similarly, this and this are 180 degrees. Similarly, all three are 180 degrees. Right. Because some are, for example, this are part of the triangle. This. These three are part of the straight line. Okay. Let's use this and find out. For example, let's if we call this if we call this A and A, if we call this A and B, and this is B and B, then this becomes 180 minus 2B, right? So A plus 180 minus 2B plus 96 degrees is 180 degrees. This is one part of it, right? Now, this angle is exterior opposite angle to this and this, right? Because let's say if we take the triangle ABC, this is an exterior angle which is equal to sum of opposite interior angles, that is A plus A and B. A plus B is equal to 96 degrees and A plus 180 minus 2B plus 96 is equal to 180. What does that mean? A minus 2B is equal to minus 96. If you solve A plus B equal to 96 and A minus 2B equal to minus 96, we are getting B is 64 and A as 62. And what is asked? We are asked what is B? DBC. DBC is actually 64 degrees. Right. This is an very, these two are very really easy problems. We are just using the basic properties of triangles. Thank you guys.